Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make a face mask. Stick around to see if... and that was my phone. Okay, take two. Well, hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you all how to make an egg mask. So you'll be needing a few things for this. First of all, an egg that you've already seen, yes, and then a kitchen product, a fork, and a bowl from the kitchen as well. And also you'll be needing tissue sheet and the scissors for this action. So oh, I almost forgot, and a brush as well. So let's get down to the video. So I already have the white part of the egg in my bowl, and the reason as to why we didn't put the whole egg here and I separated the yolk from the white part is because you only need the white part for the application. So let's get straight to the process of applying it. And first of all, you should make sure you don't get the egg on your facial hairs. Yes, on your facial hairs, because you're gonna rip them off while you're trying to get the mask off, and that's not really nice. You can imagine walking around with no eyebrow and you have to fill it in every day. It doesn't really add up. Yeah. So guys, this is how it looks, and then you just go over again with the egg white, just applying it again. So guys, this is how it looks like after you're done applying the white part of the egg again. And you'll just have to wait for it to dry, and then you can now start removing it slowly, just not to tear the mask, because after it you're gonna compare the surface of it to see if you can spot any blackheads or whiteheads. Yeah. Hey guys, so I'm back after it has dried up like totally completely. I can even you can even see, let me show you something that I've been trying to do. Yeah, what am I even doing? Okay, it's that's what you get after you've applied it and waited for it to dry a bit, and I must say that it really has a foul smell. Yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna get down into the process of removing the mask, and then I'm gonna show you the underlying content, whether they're blackheads or whiteheads. But the whitehead is gonna be a little bit difficult to know them, like to spot them. But anyway, let's get down to the process. So I started off by stretching my face, and then I a bit ripped it off. But anyway, I'm starting it from here. Oh my god, it looks really nice. And remember when I said that you shouldn't get it so close to your facial hairs, because it's gonna be a challenge trying to remove it, because you're really gonna feel a lot of pain. So oopsie. I really like the way it feels. Like, this is the fun part of it. Other than the smell, which is really bad, it's also fun because nobody can get close to me when I'm trying to shoot this video. Lol. Oh. Who's this? This is my face. Really looks funny. So anyway, I'm gonna try and spot some things. I can see that my face is really smooth. My face is really smooth right now. And I'm just gonna wash it off, then get back to you guys. Well, I'm loving the results. I mean, who doesn't want to try this? Yeah, that's how the mask looks like after removing it from your face. And I've tried to spot some blackheads and whiteheads, though they're not really visible. Yes, I had some whiteheads at the chin area, but I just can't get my camera to focus on that area, though they're very small. You wouldn't even see it. Yeah, so that's all. I'm done washing my face, and this is how it looks like right now. So I'm gonna go in with the moisturizer, And the moisturizer is a bio oil from Kimfei, Kenya. And I'm gonna be using this as my moisturizer. So I'm just gonna be needing a few drops of it on my face. Hope you can see it very well. Yeah, and I'm just gonna like scrub it, like just rub it in my skin. This really feels so good, and it blends into your skin very well. I like bio oil because it helps us in a lot of things. Like for example, if you're having issues with the stretch marks on your body, I would highly recommend bio oil, as well as an even skin tone. Yeah, it just has the benefits behind the bottle. The dehydrated skin, aging skin, scars, really helps in such things. And for now, I've been trying to get rid of this, and I'll be giving you an update on that, like after 8 weeks of using it constantly, that is. Yeah, so um I really don't know the price. Maybe someone will ask me how much I got it for. I don't really know the price because it was gifted to me by a friend of mine, but I'll ask him how much he got it for, and then I'll share with you the prices in the next video. Yes, but it's really good for your skin. That's all I had for you today, and if you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share this video. It might help a sister, you know, or a brother in that case. Yeah, bye.